What is a computer exploit in cybersecurity? In this video, we will understand that. The browsers, operating systems, or other software that we commonly use often contain security vulnerabilities. A security vulnerability is a bug that can be exploited by a malicious user to gain access to sensitive data or cause any other harm to the system or software. Cyber attackers often use these security vulnerabilities to infect a system or steal sensitive data from the system, and they use an exploit for that purpose. The attacker can create a piece of software or use some data or sequence of commands to extract sensitive data, gain control of the system, or cause a denial of service attack. The piece of software, data, or sequence of commands is called an exploit. In other words, an exploit is a piece of software, data, or sequence of commands that can exploit a vulnerability for malicious purposes. Attackers often use a collection of such exploits. A collection of exploits that attackers can use to manage different exploits altogether is called an exploit kit. There can be different types of exploits. For example, an attacker can use an exploit to infect a system over a network and gain access to the system. This type of exploit is called a remote exploit. After infecting a system over a network, attackers can use an exploit to escalate privileges and access resources that are meant for a system administrator. This type of exploit is called a local exploit. And an exploit is called a zero-day exploit if it is known only to the attackers who found it or used it. When such a zero-day exploit becomes known to the software developers, they release a security patch as soon as possible and patch the security vulnerabilities that the exploit uses. As a result, if a system gets patched, then attackers can no longer use the same vulnerabilities or exploit to infect the system. This is why keeping the operating system, browser, and other commonly used software updated with recent patches is crucial. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.